Hey, it's me again, it's Lena, and we're still on the 1808 trail. I just want to show you this cool little bridge. We're in this beautiful cedar forest. Check this shit out. That's a cool little bridge, but... Okay, honey. Uh, well, yeah, well, all of our stuff's here. So I was going to just film this bridge, babe. Look how long this bridge is. It's a cool little bridge. I'm just filming real quick. All right, we'll come back and we'll get our stuff then. Yeah, we might be. I thought this was pretty cool. But I just want to show you guys this again. It's 1808 Trail. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.